Here I have Vernee Mix tool, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to enter date and time section. So if you want to change your date and time manually, you have to disable this feature, automatic date and time. Here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable this feature, automatic time zone. Here you can select your time zone, and you can also change your time format from 12-hour to 24-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.